Okay, after you join Save Club, or if you've not joined yet, I'm going to show you where to get your training. Not only from watching my fine, badass YouTube channel, maybe searching around Google, but if you join, we have a full training section built in when you become an affiliate for 60 bucks. So let me go ahead and put my ice cold drink. God, that drink's so cold and my hand is frozen. It's 90 degrees outside here in Salt Lake, so pardon my burnt face. I've been outside the last 2 days producing car shows. All right, guys, if you have not joined yet, please go to these links. Check it out. Watch the little videos. And if you want to join, go ahead and open up the Save Club email that you'll receive, and you guys will figure it out. It's real simple. I love saveclub.com, saveclubfunnels.com. They'll both lead you to either join in or get more information, or you can just adios. Save Club isn't for you, but both those links are awesome. They're great sources, and I love them long time. Okay, now this is the mighty Save Club. After you go to saveclub.com and enter your username and your password, you're going to see it's a very simple website. And right there on the left of your screen, it says training. Click it, and you're going to go to this page. You're going to see this little dude here playing with himself. Looks like he's right-handed. But watch it. You only need to watch it once. It's like 1 minute long. I think it's 1 minute and 27 seconds. It just says basically to click this orange button right here that says marketing material. So when you click it, do you see there's a whole bunch of folders here? All you got to do is just click like May 2nd, May 11th, May 17th. Do you see 6/1? That means June 1 of 2025 right there. That means that somebody has uploaded more material for you. It could be video, could be banners. All right, there's a lot of cool stuff. So what you do is you just click it. Okay, so I double clicked it. Now, it'll say branded or non-branded. Branded means that the whole video or content, pictures, banners, whatever it is, just says Save Club, Save Club, Save Club. And when it's non-branded, it might be about deals, like let's say car tires. Now it's not going to say Save Club car tires. It'll just be a lot of content about car tires, and maybe you need to save money when you go buy them. So you see what I mean? Branded means inside the video, there's a lot of Save Club mentioned throughout the video, and the non-branded just doesn't mention Save Club, but it definitely shows you some cool stuff you can save money on. It's up to you. I do both. Why not? Now, if you like, let's say branded videos. Click it. See all these? See it says MP4? That means these are brand new videos free for you if you join. And if you want, those 3 buttons right there, when you click it, see where it says download? Well, when you hit download, all of these download like in 1 second on your home computer or your laptop, or if you're on a cell phone. But hit download. You know, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's say there's about 12 videos there. Go ahead and on each line, hit the 3 buttons. And where it says download, hit it. So go to the next one. 3 buttons, hit download. Now after you go ahead and do that 12 times, open up your download folder, and that's where all these are. What I recommend doing is make a folder that says, well, in this case, how about 6/1 of 2025? This one just says 6/1, but you know what? In a year or so, you might forget what it is, although it says June 1st right here, last modified. But if it's on your home computer, you know, you're like, oh God, did I download it last year? Is this a 2026 video? What is it? But maybe just make a little folder that says 6/1/25. And that way you got a ton of branded and non-branded videos or pictures. So just to repeat, let's just go back out. You're going to go into the training tab right there on the left of your screen. And you'll always see this guy playing with himself here. And then hit that orange button. And then go ahead and go through all the little reels. These are the tiny videos that aren't they about like 15 seconds or something? They're all based upon being super tiny and short. Branded, non-branded. These just came out yesterday because today is June 2nd. There's May 26th, May 17th. You can see like every week or so, we release an insane amount of marketing material for you. Because if you don't know how to do pictures or banners or video, you're going to run out of ideas, and then you're probably going to quit and say, oh, I just don't know how to do this business. But what we have found out especially myself over the last 2 years, most people that get stuck, it's because of, I don't want to do videos. I don't like my face, my eyeballs. I feel fat. I just hate video. Well, we're going to do it for you. They're already made. If you want to join me right now, there's plenty of video that you can use. Just make sure that if you upload a video, let's say to TikTok or Facebook or wherever, that if you're going to say, hey guys, would you like to earn some money while saving money? Click this link. Just make sure that your link that you get is your link, because you want them to sign up or pre-enroll, and you want to earn money, of course, and build a nice group. That's all you got to do. And then over the next month or two, we'll figure it out. If you want to learn how to do a video where I'm just talking like this to you on a webcam, or maybe you want to try to make a video where you're not talking or in the video, but maybe it's 30 minutes, 30 seconds, maybe it's a couple minutes. It's up to you. Sky's the limit when it comes to video. It's highly effective. I really hope that you look into it, because if I do a lot of videos like this against someone that doesn't, I know that I'm going to probably get more pre-enrolls and people signed up. So really in the back of your mind, think, okay, if I don't want to be on video, maybe I can go to Fiverr.com, Fiverr.com. Just spell the number 5 with 2 R's at the end, Fiverr.com. Or maybe your kids, or I don't know, maybe somebody that you're related to knows how to do video. Or maybe you'll just get a webcam or a cell phone and talk into it selfie-wise and just record yourself. You don't have to do it live. And if you screw up, you know what, just say so. Go, guys, I don't like my face. I hate my voice. I really don't know what I'm talking about, but I'm new. I really like Save Club, and I'd like you to click my link. In my case, I'd say I love saveclub.com or saveclubfunnels.com. Those are both my links that get you to sign up and to help you get people to sign up. And it's up to you. It's real easy. You guys will figure this out. But you need training and you need marketing materials. I just wanted to show you that if you do log into the Save Club back office, just go to the training tab, hit that little orange button that says marketing materials, open up all those folders and hit those 3 buttons that say download. Download everything. Put everything on a computer like a laptop or a home computer. And if you have another computer at home or your office, log into Save Club and save all that content, maybe on your office computer and on your home computer. Save it on your cell phone and your laptop. Do you see what I mean? Save it. They're yours to enjoy and upload. And they will give you an advantage, because most companies like this, they want you to join, but they don't give you the marketing materials, although they say they do. Like, here's some things to read about what to do. And most of it, it's like, well, just post. And you're like, well, duh. But with us, if you want to email, I'm very good at email. I got about 150 emails, and I'll show you how to do it properly with the funnel system, because you can't email people in a massive way just directly to the funnel system with Save Club. You got to go through a funnel system, and for $25, you can check it out. But if you want to pay for traffic, pay for clicks, leads, it's up to you, because some people don't want to do what I'm doing right now or even post it on social media. They just want to buy good leads that hopefully, feature people looking to make money online or how to save money. And there's plenty of people like that. So if you want to buy traffic, you need to go through the funnel system. And if you need marketing materials, there's plenty of stuff out there just on YouTube. Type any question, how to do this, how to do that. But it's nice to know that I have marketing materials. The club does in the back office underneath the training tab. And when you join my group, I have the biggest group. I definitely belong to the biggest group in Save Club. And our members, man, they are churning out pictures, banners, and video for everybody. It's insane. And I think that you're going to have an advantage if you sign up into a group, so to speak. And you're still on your own. You don't have to meet with us or Zoom, or no one's going to come to your apartment or house. But it's nice if you can log in and see what everyone's doing worldwide, maybe in a Facebook group. I think it helped me a lot, and I think it'll help you. We have live Zooms. They're recorded. You don't have to watch them live, but watch the live Zooms. Those are handy. And just take advice from people that maybe are doing okay. I've signed up about 100 people already my first month, and it didn't happen by accident. And I think that if I show you what I do, and if you do it, I think there's a good chance you're going to have the same success as me. I love YouTube. I like Facebook. That's probably my second. And I don't know, throw in a couple TikTokies, Instagram, and maybe some emails, and let's just all call it good. But I've made around $4,000 my first month. I've saved 900 and something bucks through the Save Club. And with the click funnel opportunity where people can buy clicks and go to your funnel system, I've made about 860 bucks, I think, this morning I counted. And that has nothing to do with Save Club. It's just that the funnel system pays me $20 per person, and that's recurring. So my gosh, if I've made 800 already, basically in 10 or 11 days, I made 800 bucks already through the funnel. So the funnel, I think you should look into. Let me wrap up this video to show you what I do. Right there. There we go, guys. That's the money for me. These are Vistaprint business cards. I get them for about 22 bucks. And there's plenty. They last me all year, for years. I don't hand out a lot of business cards, but if you run into someone on a street level at a party, a kid's birthday, maybe at the gas station, just hand them a card and say, hey, go to I Love Save Club. Check it out. And then don't bring up anything else. You want that person to click that link and learn more about Save Club through the funnel system, and they'll figure it out. Just like you figured it out watching this video from me. It's not an accident that you're watching me right now. And you're going to do the same. And don't worry, I know it might sound a little confusing and maybe you've never done this business, but you'll learn. Within a week or two, you'll have a beautiful routine. You'll get up. When you start making money, you're going to like giggle and maybe pee your pants, and you'll have to go wear diapers. But it's fun. It's really fun when you start making money. And it all starts just by you joining. 20 bucks, 1997, 60 more dollars. You need to be an affiliate, and it's a $60 investment. And let's get 3 people signed up real quick. That way you got your money back. So that's 60. It's not gone. It's not like you gambled it away and it blew off in the wind. All right, your first 3 signups are going to make anywhere from 20 to 32 bucks per person. So we'll do the best we can to get you 3 signups. Deal? All right, guys. Okay, there is the links. I want you to click both. And if you need me, Cory at CoryDraper.com. You can see my email right there. And that is it. Now, go to my YouTube channel, and I want you to subscribe or do the little notification thing or just bookmark. You guys know what to do, okay? And get a hold of me if I can help you. I'm serious. I like to help if I can. Okay, guys, have a good day, and thanks for watching my videos. We'll talk to you soon.